Welcome back to the 𝐾𝐨𝐧'𝐭 channel. Can you guess the Italian brain rot by its scene or illusion? Let's put your photographic memory to the test with 33 ultimate levels. Subscribe now and let's get started. Someone's casually strolling down this crowded street. Who is it? It's 𝐬𝐫𝐵𝐾, the interstellar cow. This location looks super familiar. Can you name the brain rot here? Hey, that's spaghetti to a letty. Nailed it. Bonus round, optical illusion time. Squint hard and focus. Wow, that's Bombini Guccini, brother of Bombardiero, who's chilling on this tropical beach with palm trees. Yes, it's Berboloni Loli, Cappibarello Coccoini in the house. Whose planet are we looking at here? That's Giraffa Celestri, the one and only cosmic giraffe, who's hiding out in this desert with cacti and a toilet? Of course it's 𝐿𝐾𝐽𝐻𝐵𝐿, cactus hippo in sandals. What about this murky swamp? Any idea who's lurking? Yes, this is Glorbo Fruitarillo. Spot the legendary watermelon croc. Time for the expert levels. We're diving deep into the ocean. Who's down here? Yes, it's Blueberrini Octopusini, the jellyberry octopus. What about this fiery scene? Can you name the brain rot? That's pot hotspot on fire, literally. Got any guesses who lives in this bizarre landscape? That's 𝐸𝐵𝐾 Virtuoso, the piano-playing horse. Look around this kitchen spot. Anyone familiar? That's Chef Cabracadabra, the magical crab chef. All right, this one's tricky. Who's guarding it? That's brainrot-tier, the fearless bird gladiator. Can you guess the brain rot from this scene? Hey, that's 𝐬𝐵𝐾𝐬. Next round, what about this coffee-filled desert? Any guesses? That's Frula, the shades-wearing toucan. All right, someone's definitely peeking out of this alleyway. Who could it be? That's 𝐵𝐵𝐾, the sneaky pigeon spy. What about this mosquito-infested swamp spot, the brain rot? Trippy Troppy. That's another version of Trippy Tropy, a bear with a fish head. Can you guess the brain rot just by this scene? Wow, that's tongue sahur, the baseball bat log. What about this desert with cacti and a floating alarm clock? Who's hiding here? That's 𝐟𝐨𝐫𝐫𝐫, the sandal-wearing cactus elephant. Let's roll. Can you name the iconic meme from this ocean beach boom? That's 𝐿𝐴 tralala, the original that started it all. Now try to guess the brain rot in this quiet Japanese courtyard at night. That's 𝐃𝐨𝐵𝐿𝐼𝐻, the martial arts coffee master. Time for a bonus illusion. Squint a bit. Who's camouflaged here? Yes, it's 𝐼𝐻𝐼𝐻 ananasini, the pineapple monkey. Can you guess the brain rot from these magical glows? Aha, that's ballerina cappuccina, soft steps and sweet vibes. Who's flying through these clouds? Any guesses who? That's Bombardiero crocodile. Danger in the sky. What about this jungle scene? Who's swinging around in here? Bingo! That's Chimpanzini Bananini, the banana-loving monkey. Take a look. Can you guess the brain rot from this moment? Yes, that's 𝐼𝐻𝐼𝐻𝐻𝐻𝐻𝐻𝐻𝐻𝐻𝐻𝐻𝐻, the steamy little teapot. Another visual illusion. Squint your eyes and focus. That's 𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵 Let's turn up the difficulty. Who do you spot in this dreamy landscape? Aha, that's 𝐟𝐵𝐵𝐵, the forest giant. Remember who's crossing this street? Take a wild guess, right? That's 𝐵oneca-𝐴MBALABU, the iconic wheel frog. Mamma Mia, who's hiding out in these potato fields? That's Bulbito Bandito Tractorito, the troublemaking potato on wheels. Whose underwater world is this? Any ideas? Hey, that's Trippy Troppy, the shrimp kitty of the sea. Who's wandering this quiet street? Think fast. Yes, that's 𝐟𝐨𝐫𝐿𝐾, the fridge camel hybrid. Who you know this gym for sure? Who's working out here? Yes, that's 𝐬𝐮𝐻𝐫𝐿𝐾, the Mandarin muscle freak. Here's a bonus illusion. Squint and focus hard. That's 𝐿𝐴MERO-𝐿𝐴CINA, the fishy little... Thanks for watching. Scored perfect. You're one of us. Missed one. You owe us a like. Still here. You're already hooked. Hit subscribe, and if you dare, the next quiz is even worse.